due to the network issues, we could not touch this part of balancing in the revision session. So as demanded with you all, I'm here with the video of balancing. Balancing is basically we can do balance the two method. One is heat and trial method and second one is ABCD method. So we will discuss one and firstly we will go to the heat and trial method, then after we will do the same chemical equation with ABCD method. So let's begin. Write the all elements, whether it is present on the reactant side or whether it is present on the product side, count it and write it. Now what we will do, write the number of elements involving in the reaction. First we will talk about the aluminium. In the reactant side we have 1, we will write 1 here. In the product side we have 2 aluminium here. So we need to write 2 aluminium, we need to add 1 more. So we will write plus 1 more into 1 into 2, that is 2. Okay. Now if we talk about the hydrogen, in the reactant side we have 2 hydrogen, in the reactant side 2 hydrogen, 2 2, that is well balanced. Till now it is balanced. Now move to the third one, that is oxygen. In the reactant side we have 1 and in the product side we have 3. So we have now move to the equation. Here we have 1 aluminium, here we have 2 aluminium. We will put the coefficient 2, aluminium is balanced. Now we will move to the hydrogen side. We have 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Yes, it is balanced. No need for change. Now we will move to the oxygen side. In the reactant side, we have 1 hydrogen. But when we see the product side, we have 3 oxygen atom. So what we do, we will put 3 in the coefficient. Now what we will say, after putting 3 here, the hydrogen becomes 6. And in the product side, it is only 2. So for balance the hydrogen atom, we will put here 3. Now again we will see whether the reaction is balanced or not. Aluminium, 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium, 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. Now the equation is balanced with the heat and trial method. Now we will move to the ABCD method. We are taking the similar equation, Al plus H2O, that gives you Al2O3 plus H2. The first thing that you have to do in the ABCD method, just put ABCD in the equation. Let A it's B, is C and D. Likewise you just need to put ABCD in this manner. Now the second thing that you have to do, just make the equation of each element. Here we have make the equation for aluminium, make the equation for hydrogen, make the equation for oxygen. Now let's take, we have here for aluminium, in the reactant side we have aluminium and the coefficient is A. So A is equals to, let's move to the product side, we have A is equals to 3, A is equals to C. But what we see that the total number of aluminium in the reactant side is 1, as the written 1 here coefficient A, but in the product side the number of the aluminium exists in diatomic form, 2 aluminium present in the product side. So we write 2C, A is equals to 2C, and this is the equation 1. Now move to the second B. B is here for hydrogen atom and the oxygen as well, and the hydrogen is exist in diatomic form. So we will write 2B is equals to, where is the hydrogen? Here. 2B is equals to, my camera is not visible, wait. Now we will see that 2B is equals to 2D. Why I have written here 2D? Because in the product side hydrogen is also formed in the form of diatomic, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. That's why I have written 2B is equals to 2D. This is equation 2. Now we will move to the oxygen. B is not the coefficient of hydrogen, as you know that. It is also a coefficient of oxygen as well. So we will write B. Only one oxygen? Yes. So we will write B is equals to, now we will move to the product side. So we have triatomic form of oxygen. So we will write 3C, and this is the equation 3. Now in the next step, what you do, find the number of repeated alphabet. Here we have 2C, A is 1 time, B is 2 time, D is 2 time, on C and B are the repetition of 2. So what we do is just put C is equals to 1 and solve the equation. After putting C is equals to 1, what will be the value of A? That is 2. What is the value of B? Here you can see that B will be cancelled, and B is equals to here, and B is equals to 3C, and you know the value of C by putting the value C, that is 1, so B is equals to 3. Now putting the value of B in equation 2, you will get B is equals to D is equals to 3. Now put every value in the equation, in this equation. So A is equals to 1, A is equals to 2, so we will write 2A plus, what is the value of B? We have 3. 3 has 2, that gives you C. What is the value of C? That is 1. So we will write Al2O3. What is the value of D? Is 3. We will write 3s2. Now we will check whether the reaction is balanced or not. 2Al, 2Al, 6s2O, 6s2O, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. This equation is balanced in the form of heat and trial method as well. Hope this video will help you a lot to solve the equation in the form of heat and trial method and ABCD method. Thank you.